Where are we, honey?
Hey?
Where are we?
Imperial City.
Imperial City. In Vietnam. Welcome to Vietnam. We actually now in
Hue.
Hue. We didn't go to where we was meant to go.
No, we had a bus to swap over, didn't we? We must be tickets.
We're in Hue.
Hooray.
We're meant to go to Da Nang. I think I said this yesterday actually on the vlog yesterday, didn't I? Good mountains, but our bus actually stopped for a stopover in Hue.
Yeah, it's more like 7:30.
Yeah.
I think.
So as a group,
Not
we
for
was like,
well, we meant to change buses.
Yeah, but like a stopover to change buses.
Bus, yeah.
But we was like, as a group, we decided, you know what, we was going to come here anyway, wasn't we?
Yeah.
So we'd have to go back. We'd have gone down to. We'd have gone down to where? Oh my god, my geography is so bad.
So we were going to Da Nang. We would have to come up to Hue for a day or a night, and then go back down to Da Nang and Hoi An. But instead, now we're just going straight to Hue, go down to Da Nang, so we don't avoid the loop journey.
That is where we are now.
Yeah. So we're spending a day now in Hue.
Yeah. We've got a nice hotel as well.
We've got a very nice hotel.
We've got a professional photographer with us.
Yep. Yeah.
We're just waiting to get a tour guide. Yeah.
Yeah, so we're at the Imperial City, aren't we? The citadel.
Plans change. Don't make plans in advance.
Yeah.
I'm hot.
Yeah, very much. Follow me, I'm your tour guide for today. Right, come on team. That's crazy. For wine.
Sorry. This is a sign of the long life.
Right, left over there for civil officer. Right here for the commander's office. But not in the middle. In the middle more important. You see? Green roof. Over there green roof. In here yellow roof. 102 years old. Yeah, big rock. Now let's see the rules of ordinance. Sometimes got
Yeah. Or back to it, okay? Or you can do one on five. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. You can do one on.
The man laid to rest here. was emperor from 1916 to 1925. And this didn't start getting built until 1920, so 4 years into his reign. And stopped being built in 1931, so he was dead 6 years before this was built properly.
Oh, okay.
But if I was the 13th one that came after him, I would just skip it. It's all fun and games, isn't it? Now in the abandoned water park, everyone.
Absolutely fabulous.
Abandoned water park. Let's go. Up to the mouth of the dragon. Oh my god, that's sick. Rah. We're in the mouth. A shark! You're going into a shark mouth. It's always for a random shark. Yeah. Generally feel like we're gonna get some first before. Parkour.
Not very big, we've got 3 sides.
I think they probably would have made more.
He's picking up speed. Oh, he's got a drone.
I would have charged extra for that. Yeah? Little doggies! My bag is so heavy.
It's taken ages to zoom in.
We're in Hoi today. Well, we was in yesterday. I think I told you that there was the Royal Palace. We stopped off at Hoi and we decided not to get back on the bus after dinner. So we was going to come back up here anyway. So it kind of helped us out actually. But yesterday we went to the Royal Palace, which I vlogged. Then we went to the 12th King. It was the 12th King?
Yeah, it was.
That was pretty cool. That was pretty cool. And I learned some good facts about the facts I learned about. And then we went to the abandoned water park, which I also actually vlogged. That was pretty cool.
Yeah, that was pretty gnarly. Didn't know that, did they?
No, he climbed up the dragon. Yeah, so Reese got torn off for climbing the dragon yesterday. And then he proceeded to do it when we got back round to some place I couldn't see. I did get that on my phone. And then we actually just had a chill night because it was in the hotel we ended up staying at. We didn't actually mean to stay at the hotel, we went to go get food and then we stopped outside the hotel. I was like, this is quite nice, let's see how much it is. We got a shared room, 2 double beds. It was really nice. Are you looking at my bag?
Yeah.
Right,
It just looks offset, doesn't it? We'll have to sort it out, that's all.
so now we're at the train station that we booked last night to go to Penang.
Finally heading down to Da Nang.
Yeah, finally. But it did work out quite well.
It did, yeah.
We were just going to go straight to Da Nang on the sleeper bus and then come back up. So kind of...
We would have wasted a day travelling up from Da Nang to come up to Hue to do what we did yesterday, to then have to travel back down. So, yeah. Getting an extra day, really.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, well. Well.
Nice sleeper train. We're only on here for 2.5 hours though, to be fair. But it's quite sweet. We're on 1 and 2.
I wouldn't mind sleeping on here.
I actually wouldn't either. I think I'd sleep better on here than I would the bus.
Agreed.
And there's 2 seats up there, but I think it's quite comfy actually. Billy's got to get junkie. British thing ever. Yeah. Tiago and CJ are going to come join us, I think, because we can just sit here because they're on top bunks. And it's only on for 2.5 hours and it's 11:30, so no need for sleep, is there? I still have a really blocked nose, by the way, everyone. That's probably what you can hear. And I was thinking yesterday I recorded so much and I'm probably out of breath, so I might need to put music over it. Yeah. Cute. Ready. Passenger need to know. Hotel.
Well, this is more like it, guys. This is what I signed up for travelling.
It's even got Christmas decorations. Welcome. This is luxury. It's only £5 a night as well for a double room. Nice little room for £5 a night. It's a cute little bed. Got our own bathroom. Oh, it's a bit of a wet room actually. Nice view. View of the city, babe. View of the city.
A beautiful view.
Oh yeah, I love that. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. It's raining. It's raining. It's pouring. We were meant to be going to the market, but we got caught in the rain. Yeah, we're meant to go to Dragon Market.
Are the markets outside?
I think so, yeah. And then also to the beach.
We go to the beach and shut
bars. But it's raining.
Maybe way out the rain. Heading direct to the markets if it stops.
So we're thinking of a plan, guys. Yeah.
Beach and bars are literally just down that way.
Beach bars. Beach bars?
Should we drink? We just drink our sorrows away instead. Happy water. Happy water. If it just going to carry on raining. Got Uno?
Got Uno? Got Uno?
Who comes out of our Uno?
We've been playing Uno non-stop. Like non-stop. So we might go to get some drinks at the beach now and play Uno.
I think he's trying to get it back. I'm quit.
Okay, that's our plan. I'll keep you updated. The amount of restaurants we walk past like this is bizarre. It's crazy. They're all up there as well.
Are they you? Yeah.
Oh my god. Eels are blind, aren't they? Hi.
means Chardonnay.
Cute. Wow. Hello. Good morning, everybody. It is the next day from where we went to the market yesterday and it started raining, so we just went to the beach bars, which was really nice. We found one that was really nice, didn't we?
We did, yeah, it was really nice.
It was just literally like the way it was laid out. It was proper like a club in Ibiza, but it was a lot cheaper. Yeah, and we just sat like on the front and got these really nice sofa areas, which I actually did get on record, so I'll show you that. And then we came back. I think we're about 12 because we had to get up early today. It is just 7:45 now, and we are going to the Golden Hand Bridge here in central Vietnam. So just meeting the other two downstairs and then getting a grab across there, and then doing like the longest cable car in the world. I think it's like 35 to 40 minutes, the cable car all the way up there. So I'm excited about that. It's looking a bit cloudy today though, so I'm not sure how good the views are going to be on the bridge, but
It's cooler than it was yesterday, you know, at least it's sunny-ish.
yeah, so, but today is the only day we can really do it because we have to get Central Vietnam done, and South Vietnam, Cambodia and South Thailand done before the 27th of December, so we can't really
Have to push through a little bit.
yeah, because we spent a bit more time in North Thailand than we was meant to, but things work out anyway, don't they? It's just,
I think it's more so North Vietnam, to be fair.
yeah, to be fair.
So bad, just because a few days chilling, didn't we, and
Yeah.
going back and forth on different
yeah.
like tours and stuff.
So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Hopefully the weather will clear up a little bit. I can see a bit of the sky there.
Yeah, and it's sunny as well. Sunny and cloudy, isn't it?
Yeah, so that's our plan today. There I am. We've made it to Some World Hills. So we just got to pay for our tickets. We just get the cable car. I love how she's got cute little reindeer things on because it's Christmas. Yeah, we made it to Sunban Hills.
Sundown Barnard Hills.
Barnard Hills.
Sundown Barnard Hills.
Barnard Hills.
I think Sundown is like the name of like,
Sundown,
the company.
yeah. Sundown Barnard Hills. So we're just going to wait to get a cable car.
Sunworld, not Sundown.
Sunworld?
Sunworld.
Sunworld Barnard Hills. So we've got to wait to get a cable car up, which is about 30 minutes up the hill.
It don't get the cables.
No, up the hill. There's lots of things to do. It's proper like a theme park as well up there. Yeah. So there's like, oh, this little Tokyo, how cute. Restaurants, noodle restaurants, lots of restaurants actually.
Oh, beer plaza. Yeah.
Yeah. There's a Helios waterfall. Snow Theatre, Forever Square, Union Square, Market Square. I was looking on the little map as well. Can you just hold this?
I've heard things about this before, like it's not that good, but I feel like if you come and just want to make a day out of it, I think it looks alright, doesn't
We've
it?
got the Golden Hand Bridge, new wonder of the world. We've got like a really nice
French
market,
old
village.
French colonial village, isn't it?
Yeah, medieval fair.
Well, so
Helios waterfall.
originally it was a village built by the French, wasn't it?
Yeah.
That's where it was originally.
That?
Hmm?
Got a tattoo of that.
I do have a tattoo of that. Yeah.
Yeah, so it's a French village. They like decided to make a beautiful
And then-
village on top of the mountains.
And then the Vietnamese decided to ruin it. Well, that's what the locals said, weren't it? They ruined it with by putting a theme park up there.
I don't know. Yeah. Then the Vietnamese decided to put a theme park up there and make this, which I understand. It must get them a lot of money.
I mean, it's a massive attraction, isn't it? So it works.
Yeah. So this is everything that we could try and fit in today because it's open till 10. I think we want to definitely go see the Golden Hand Bridge.
Oh, we'll definitely, yeah.
We do the cable ties. We'll probably see a lot of it. Get some food.
Yeah.
Because this is what we planned in just for today.
So I didn't have the camera on you at all then.
So this is what we planned in for today. Like this whole day is for this. So
I think we should try getting before this big group get in. Yeah.
Ooh. It took off way faster than I thought.
It did take off quick. That's nice. You even got sick bags.
Sickness bags, I need them.
Sickness bags.
Who wants to throw it? Oh, it's actually going quite a pace. It's going quick, isn't it?
This is what we're working with at the minute. It's very, very, very foggy. You can't see a lot, can you, Hun?
Can't see anything.
So we're gonna come back later.
And hopefully it'll be a bit clearer, won't it?
Because that is fog if I've ever seen fog.
That is foggy to the foggy nth degree. But it's cool, we're gonna get some food.
Food. It's a bit cold as well, by the way, guys.
Freezing.
It's freezing up there.
I can imagine, you know, the... Oh, look at that.
Breakfast. Thank you. For that, but... Michael Jackson. But, yeah. Oh my god, this sounds like Ingamels.
Oh, Dodger. Let's play for that one. Very good stuff.
I actually can't believe this is like, we're literally in like a castle right now. It's like a French castle, like we looked outside and it's like such amazing architectural work. And this is what they put in it. Like sometimes I'm like, what the hell? Yeah, I want to go on bumper cars. We are about to do the Jurassic Walk. And I'm super excited. That's a pretty cool dinosaur. You can touch them to bring you alive.
Pretty cool.
It's making like no.
Let's go. Go across the side. Not yet, not yet, not yet. Go down.
Get the rabble. Oh no, the battery's gonna die. Made it to the French village. We stopped. Look how pretty this all is. It's like a proper castle. It's gorgeous.
Do I save some for the markers there? For the back
That's actually quite cool though.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Hello everyone. Turn on the god.
What's with that?
We are back from the Sunworld walk. We got back about 6ish, half 6, I would say. And then we just, oh my god, there's everything. About 6:30, went upstairs, got to the hotel, put my phone on charge for a little bit. My camera is on charge, that's why I'm using the GoPro, but we're just at the market now. The big food market. And it's not just food, there's other places down there as well. So we're just looking for some food, aren't we?
Yeah. Something like this looks good. Yeah, see, something like this, look. Fried rice with sausages, fried rice with eggs. Something's good to me.
I've lost the others.
Something easy. Do you know what I mean?
And cheap, because it was so expensive today.
I want something
all
cheap.
The food was so expensive.
Need something cheap and filling. Like a lot of food for not a lot of money. Something now.
Yeah, just walking.
We've done so much walking
markets.
today.
A lot of walking. Yeah.
15,000 steps so far.
I will keep you updated.
If you order 4 tacos, you are 10 taco free one. If you order tomorrow, my friend. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
And it's just starting to rain, everyone.
Yeah.
We just got some tacos and it's raining. Typical.
Oh, that worked out okay.
That looks really nice.
Super cool, right?
Look,
Super cool school.
pretty.
That is a cool, yeah. Not as pretty as his face.
No.
My face.
Good morning, everyone. It's another day. Yesterday, after this is Sunworld, with the Golden Hand Bridge, my phone started dying actually. My camera started dying, so I only got a couple of clips of that, but I think I got enough. It was a really good day, it was really nice as well, and the sun actually came out for the bridge, didn't it?
Yeah.
Like, yeah, because it was so cloudy, so like grey, the clouds. It rained a few times when we were up there, and then we went back to the part where the bridge is, and so we're just gonna start playing Uno, and these like an Indian tour group came and started playing Uno with us, which was really nice. And then the sun actually came out, so we managed to get really good pictures of it and see it properly. And then after that, we got back about, was it like 6:30?
Yeah.
6:30-ish time. Came over here quickly, put my phone on charge for 10 minutes and then walked to the markets. And when we were at the markets, when I say it poured, like it rained, but I managed to get a couple of clips on the GoPro because my camera was on charge, so. But today we're just going to Hoi An. We're leaving in about 5 minutes just to go downstairs, meet the others. Take a trip to Hoi An today. It's a bit more of a relaxed day, get things done. I think I'm gonna get my nails done, might get a few toes. But we'll see how the day goes. But yeah, that is where we are off to now.
Here on the boat, the lantern boat. Just getting a cool photo. This is what it's like. Oh, it's stunning.
Nice little bike ride, right? Download it.
Fuck everybody.
He's not willing to have a fucking joke to me.
Everybody to hug.
Oi! Yeah.
Do it now.
I got some lanterns. We also got some lanterns to pop in the water. I'm super excited about that. Super excited about that. Oh, it's too low, it's too low.
Too low. Should have bought a Joby. Should have bought a Jobby.
Hoi An is a beautiful town.
It's gorgeous here. We did have a little bike ride as well. We hired some bikes. I had to change the settings. Yeah, we hired some bikes to go bike here. And it was super, super cute.
Yeah, it was really nice, wasn't it?
But this is just
Stunning. Is that what you're going to say?
stunning. Look at it though. It's
Stunning
gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. This is giving talent so much, isn't it?
That's 10,000. 10,000. 3 for you.
Chili is okay?
Yeah,
Chili is good.
Chili's great.
You got there's many there.
So, how is it?
Really nice.
Is it good?
Yeah.
I can't wait to try some.
Well, you can't. Who said you were getting some?
You did. Is it hot?
What there?
Hot potato, not hot wheat. Not cold wheat.
That is so good.
Good.
Oh yeah. Very good.
That's delicious, isn't it? Good street food.
He carries on doing that. Yeah, but he's like, yeah, give it to him, but it's gonna be like watered down.
Alright, cheers guys.
It's a video, you idiots. Yay!
Go on, Court.
Got it? Let's go, get 5 in. 5 at Come find this way. Come find it. And like, a couple of ski trips when
What do we think about that?
You are right, I see the trips before, but then I don't see them. Okay, she's seen them.
When you doing that, on Tom?
I'm gonna go find her.
1, 5, 3, 2, 1, 1.
the next day after I was filming yesterday. I can't even remember, that's what I was just trying to think.
We just travelled.
Oh yeah.
We spent the day by the beach, didn't we?
We went to the beach yesterday, which was a lot of fun because it was really hot.
There you
go, lads.
No, loser! Today is chucking it down.
It's raining.
Our hostel guest, like the lady there, gave us umbrellas.
Yeah. Oh, she's so nice, isn't she,
she's so nice.
Vicky?
Really, really nice. And Reese has just bought himself a t-shirt and some
Shawties.
some new shorts because he ripped his the other day. And I've got my nails done, and that is all we're doing today, really, isn't it?
Yeah, we're just wandering around, aren't we? Have a look at the city.
Yep. While it pours heart out.
Yeah. Very wet day.
But it's nice, isn't it? It's still cozy.
Homely, I suppose.
Yeah. So we're just gonna. The other two have kind of. CJ wanted to get some burgers made, didn't
Yeah,
she?
so they've gone to
do that, and we're just kind of wandering, and then we're gonna meet back for lunch. But
You say hi?
but yeah, that is the plan for today. I thought I'd keep you updated for having lunch. And while we're in the shower, I thought I think we can work it out.
We got the GoPro out today,
Yes.
didn't we? Since we're gonna get the camera wet.
Nope. But yeah, that is it today so far.
Fire in the bottom of the camera.
Oh, tattoo time.
How much, sorry?
Let's get his tattoos done.
$6.50. Translate.
Ready.
Here we go.
They look so cool, huh?
Little travelling tattoos.
Yep. Getting them all in.
Yeah.
Bali, Laos, Vietnam, Cambodia and South.
And Thailand, both Thailand.
Both
North and
Thailand.
South. We're not done South
You're
yet.
not doing, have you not, that's not got one from Cambodia yet, has it?
No, I'll have to get a temple for Cambodia.
Yeah, maybe. That'd be cool.
Thinking about it, yeah, because
How cool.
Angkor Wat, isn't it? It's the biggest temple.
Yeah. In the world?
I don't know why I said the biggest temple, because it might not be the biggest temple in the world. It's just a huge temple.
I think I'm gonna get this, but without the balloon. I just don't know where yet. The needles are so big, aren't they? When you actually look at how big, and that's where you get it from, isn't it?
Yeah.
Cool. I don't know why I'm
getting tattoos out.
This is awkward.
Hey? That's better. Yeah. There we go. You know. Oh no.
It smells lovely. Oh my. Well, recess is literally just
Huh? So what?
Look how high the river is, everyone. This is what we're doing.
Watch out. Come on, really.
I think there is more there. What is going on?
Look at the river. You can't even see where it comes off.
This is not the time for a photo shoot.
Look at that.
You're making it really hard for me.
You're not getting my tattoo wet.
Oh my god, it's foot. I just pushed it.
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Oh no.
Definitely making a vlog.
Huh?
Says he definitely making a vlog.
What? Look at my new tattoo.
I've been bit again. I love my life. Again? Yeah. Bottom of the ankle. You get some mozzie spray.
Where have we been, guys?
We've been to a gym. That was a lot less creepy.
That was a lot of creepy. It's still kind of raining today, so we decided to go to the gym. It was only like 50k per person, so it's not a lot, is it? We've been there for like a few hours. We was there for a few hours. And then we found like a healthier place to eat called Ellie's.
This is like an Australian lifestyle right now.
This is.
Get up, go to the gym, go to a healthy place, spend so much money on healthy food.
Yeah. Just eat organic. Yeah, that's what we've done so far. And then I'm going to go get a nail fix because it broke yesterday. Well, today, but I got them done yesterday. And then go get ready and go try to go to a London festival again if it's not raining.
Oh, it's meant to be a good one tonight, isn't it?
It's meant to stop raining at 7. All into Apple or whatever.
Yeah. So that's our plan.
Let's hope so.
My office is saying rain.
Oh, great. And we got caught in the rain yesterday really bad.
Oh yeah, but they don't know, do they?
I've only got videos on my phone.
But on here it says...
Literally had to wade, sorry I didn't really shut the camera on.
Yeah.
Literally had to wade through the streets, didn't we?
Yeah.
It was nearly shin high
Yeah.
water.
And then no taxis or
So no one would
grabs
take
would
us.
pick us up, so we walked half an hour.
We walked 3 kilometres, didn't we? Well, about that, maybe, yeah, it was about 3 kilometres. I walked barefoot into the water.
Yeah.
That's good.
It was crazy. It was absolutely crazy. I've never been caught in torrential rain like that before.
That's mental.
So hopefully not tonight.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's it. That's my update so far. I will speak to you soon. Morning everyone. It is the day after we went to the gym yesterday, which I got on the GoPro because I didn't take my camera, but I didn't film too much yesterday because it was like another rainy day. We just went to the gym in the morning and then got some nice food, and then went and actually got a few more tattoos. So now I've got 2. Reese actually got loads of tattoos yesterday, got 4 I think, so in total he's got like 5. And 1 is included in like the 5, so it depends how you kind of work that out. But it's super sunny today, and we're actually doing the coconut boats today. And then leaving at like 5ish on a sleeper train. Yeah, that is literally our plan today. We're gonna get a coconut bus soon. Just waiting for a grab. Coconut bus, coconut boat. Just waiting for a grab. So we're gonna go do that, and then just come back and wait for our sleeper bus to Monet, which is meant to be like 31 degrees there. So I'm excited for that. But yeah, that's our plan. I thought I'd keep you updated. Thank you for watching. I'm not sure what I missed out on. If I missed out on anything, but I can always voice over stuff that I've kind of not spoke about while we're doing it. But yeah, just thought I'd keep you updated. Thank you for watching again, and I will speak to you soon. Bye. So we need to...
England number 1!
England number 1!
England number 1.
À, photo. Photo. Về đây đây. Qua dù nó cũng nặng. Ok. Ôi.
Oppan Gangnam Style.
Charge me for carrying her thing now.
And just say no.
That is your fault.
Excuse me, can I get some fruit? Would you like some fruit? Fruit? Ah, okay. Fruit, you like fruit? The fruit. She just left.
She said she just up there.
Grace, walk the other way.
She is actually fucked off. She's like, fuck this, I'm out.
She's like, thank God.
Because like, are we eating there or what?
She actually just fucked off.
What the fuck?
She's still going.
Hi.
Would you like some fruit? Oh, you're selling it as well, are you? Okay. Competition.
Hello everyone. We are officially in point A. I'm not really sure how much footage I get for the last few places we've been, so I don't really know where the vlogs will end. So I'm just going to sign off the vlog now.
And start a new one.
For the previous places we've been to. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. We'll keep trying to get videos up as often as we can.
We're not doing very well at the moment though, are we?
No, but that's all barley.
Yeah.
By the time this one goes up, we might have a bit more of a flow.
I hope so.
Yeah, otherwise.
We're getting there. We're getting there, right?
Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.